Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. A few days ago, I brought in the Orzero tempered glass screen protectors with camera glass lens protectors. I did the tempered glass screen protector install, but did not do the camera glass lens protector install. That's what I'm going to do today for my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Here is the packaging. Got some information there, so please read everything. On the inside, you're going to get 2 tempered glass screen protectors and 2 camera glass lens protectors and a cleaning accessory pack for each of those items. So I'm going to use one in this video, and here are the camera glass lens protectors. There is an installation guide here on the inside. Again, please read everything. So we're going to put that over to the side. And we'll take out the camera glass lens protector. Very nice. You can see the information there. So what we'll do is clean off the camera island really good with the cleaning accessory pack here, and put on the camera glass lens protector. So what I'm going to do is speed up the video a little bit, and then we'll get a good look at what it looks like on my Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And then I'll put the thin-borne aramid fiber back part of the case back on. Got the frame right there. Very nice minimalistic case that has a very exquisite look on my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. All right, let's go ahead and do this. We want to make sure we don't see any lint or dust or condensation, and I don't see any of that whatsoever. Everything looks great. Now, some of you may not like that dark camera glass lens protector. I would do some shopping over at Amazon and see if you can find some clear ones. This is what I brought in, and I don't mind it. It looks really good with the thin-borne aramid fiber case. Yeah, it looks really nice. And again, I'm digging the lip coming up and over the camera glass lens protector. So what I'm going to do is take a few pictures, make sure we don't have any issues with glass on glass. And get into the camera here. And all right. No issues. Looking for some shadowing around the edges. Glass on glass can cause that. All right, that looks good. Or anything that you see that just doesn't look right. And obviously I'll be taking pictures outdoors, and I'll report anything that's on the negative. Now, if you don't hear from me on this product, that means everything's a huge thumbs up, and it's great. All the information to purchase the Orzero tempered glass screen protectors and camera glass protectors will be down below in the description area. I know some of you are going to ask, well, how in the world do I remove the camera glass lens protector if need be. I would make sure you have a little bit of nail. You might be able to use a guitar pick, but sometimes they're a little too thick. So this actually came with camera glass lens protectors for my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I find it much easier to use the edge of your fingernail. You just have to find a corner and be very, very patient and lift. There we go. Got right in there. Okay, and then you're just going to pull up and away. But I don't want to pull it off. Now, if you have a very thin type of tool, and this pick here is a little too thick, but if there's something in the house that not sharp, a little dull at the end of the edge, but as thick as your fingernail, you can slide it in there and pull away. I know some of you are going to have issues and maybe be a little impatient, but I'm telling you, be patient. If that's just too much for you and that causes you to go through some anxiety because of it, then don't use the product. Okay? I have a lot of patience. I don't mind. I'll work my way around and figure it out. But it's really not that difficult. And again, you're going to have protection for those cameras, and that's what's really important here. So I'm going to put that back on. That looks great. I'm digging it. All right. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Appreciate you coming on by and checking out this video. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.